Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
Clean condenser coils result in efficiently running, energy-saving refrigerators. It may be necessary to clean your condenser coils if you're experiencing one of these issues. Cooling performance issues? Center mullion very warm to the touch. If the environment is particularly dusty or there is significant pet traffic in the home, the condenser should be cleaned every 2 to 3 months to ensure maximum efficiency.
I bought a brand new, awesome refrigerator that was having major cooling issues after just 6 weeks of using it. It's just me and my dog, a beautiful collie, and I don't think we used that thing much already. A very nice man came to my house, and it turned out that my collie's hair was all caught up in the condenser. She does shed everywhere all the time. He vacuumed out the condenser, and in no time that refrigerator was cooling as it was supposed to.
Before starting, unplug your refrigerator or disconnect the power. Grasp the grill firmly and pull it toward you. Please note, on side-by-side refrigerators, the steps to remove the base grill are as follows. Open both doors no wider than 90 degrees. Remove the 2 screws from the base grill and then pull out on the outside corners. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush to clean the grill, the open areas behind the grill, and the front surface area. To reach dust between the coils where your vacuum can't reach, use a coil brush with soft bristles that do not harm the coils. Replace the base grill. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Plug in the refrigerator or reconnect power.
Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product, or available online at www.maytag.com.